In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay my credit card due payment in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know the exact workflow to record a payment you've made from your bank to your business credit card, so both balances update correctly and your books stay clean. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. From your dashboard, look for the plus new button. It's your main starting point for creating transactions. Click it to open the Create menu. In the menu, head to the section labeled Other and choose Pay Down Credit Card. This opens a simple form built specifically for recording a credit card payment you already made. Using this option ensures QuickBooks treats the payment as a transfer from your bank to your credit card liability, which keeps your registers accurate and makes reconciliations smoother. Now complete the form. First, answer which credit card did you pay? Select the exact credit card account you're paying. If you track multiple cards, double check you're choosing the one that matches the statement you paid. Next, answer what did you use to make the payment? Select the bank account the funds actually came from, such as your business checking. This link is important because it reduces the correct cash account and reduces what you owe on the card at the same time. Enter the payment amount. Use the exact dollar figure that left your bank, whether it's a full payoff or a partial payment. Then enter the payment date. For the cleanest bank reconciliation later, use the date the payment cleared or the date you made it as shown on your bank activity. Consistent dates and amounts help QuickBooks match what you record to what downloads from your bank feed. Take a moment to review your selections: the credit card account, the funding bank account, the amount, and the date. A quick check here prevents most posting errors, especially if you manage more than one card or bank. When everything looks right, click Save and Close. With that, QuickBooks records the transaction as a transfer from your bank to your credit card. You'll see a decrease in your bank balance and a corresponding decrease in your credit card balance. The payment will appear on both the bank register and the credit card register, so your records reflect exactly what happened. That's all you need to do. Log in, click Plus New, choose Pay Down Credit Card, fill in the credit card and bank, enter the amount and date, then save. This straightforward workflow keeps your accounts accurate and makes month-end reconciliation faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and great job keeping your books up to date.